What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Fake Boujie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In today's video, I will be doing an install featuring this beautiful hair that I got from Cynosure. If you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. This is beginner friendly, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so like I said, this is going to be a full beginner friendly install video. So I'm going to start by brushing and combing through my hair. My hair is pretty thin now since I've relaxed it recently. So I can just get away with doing 2 braids. So that's what I'm going to do right here. Sometimes I'll just put on the cap and put the wig on top of it if the hair is super curly. But for this one, I'm just going to do 2 braids down to the back. And this only took a couple of minutes. You don't have to be the best braider in the world to do this. As long as your hair is pulled back, that's honestly all that matters. After I braided both sides, I did pin it with bobby pins just to make sure that everything stays secure, and also make sure you moisturize your hair very well anytime you're doing an install, because you want to keep your real hair very healthy. So after I do the bobby pins, I'm going to put on my wig cap, and I don't like to do the got to be on my edges and stuff to pull it back. I just make sure it's pushed back in the wig cap because I don't want to use more product than I need. I'm going to go ahead and cut my ear holes on both sides, and then go in with my got to be freeze spray and just spray that all over my edges, a little onto my forehead and back into my hairline. I'm then going to use my blow dryer on the medium setting and just dry it until it's like completely dry, like not damp, not wet a little bit, but fully dry. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut it with my scissors, and make sure you get all the little flyaways and the little fuzzies, because you don't want them, just showing through under your wig. That is not cute. So get as close as you can, and make sure your scissors are not dull like mine. Anything that you missed, you can pick up with the next step, which is this Ghost Bond. Well, actually, this is the Eben brand. This is Eben Extreme Hold. I got Extreme Hold by accident, y'all. And when I say like this hold is definitely extreme, like only use this if you plan on the install less than minimum 7 days for sure, like all the way. But yeah, I'm just going to smooth it down and then let it air dry. While it air dries, I'm going to show you all my goodies that I got from Cynosure Hair. So they sent me a wig cap that matches my skin. Love it. Some beautiful eyelashes that I will be installing. Some extending clips. And this is the hair that I wanted to show you guys. It is their 13 by 4 24-inch invisible HD lace Brazilian straight hair lace front wig. The density that I chose is 150. I always do a 150. And I love that it has baby hairs already with it. The sides are already layered, well, cut layered to frame your face. It does have the combs. It has the adjustable elastic band as well. I love that they have the lace for the nape of the neck, and the material is very stretchy on the wig cap. I also wanted to point out that it's not a full 4-inch going back, so you don't have to worry about any issues on the sides. And this is my Eben tinted lace spray that I'm going to use to tint the lace. So if you are lazy sometimes and just don't feel like bleaching your knots, you can definitely use this. Honestly, the lighter the hair, the better it works. But I'm also going to go ahead and put some concealer on my cap too, just to make sure everything's covered. As you all can see, they've already pre-plucked the edges, and I just wanted to show you all how good the Eben tint spray makes it blend in. So it makes any install process easy and super flawless. And so right now I'm just combing the edges back, but as I'm doing it, I'm like pushing the glue down, pushing the cap into the glue, pushing the wig onto the glue, and making sure everything is holding. And I will say that this hair is super soft. I did not wash it before my install, but I will say that the hair is soft, And this is how it looks like fresh out of the packaging. The part looks really, really good. If you aren't good at plucking your part, you can just pull it with your fingers like I do, and it comes out like this. So you can part it on the side, either side or in the middle if you want. I chose to do a middle part for this install. And so right now I'm just using my electric hot comb to get the wig as flat as I possibly can. And this honestly doesn't take long at all. It's actually super easy. I prefer to do it that way instead of just like trying to tie it down or something like that, and that's a whole lot easier. So next I'm going to go through and cut my lace, and definitely use a razor. You do not want any straight cuts because you don't want anybody to know that you have on a wig. Well, they can know, but you don't want it to look like you have on a wig. You don't want to look wiggy. And so after I do like a quick little cut with a razor, I'm going to go back on the area near my ear and just re-glue that, just to make sure everything is holding properly, because there's nothing worse than having like that area come up while you're trying to be cute and have, you know, like your fresh install. Like I hate that. So next I'm going to do my baby hairs, and as you all could see, I just did a jagged cut with my scissors, and then I just cut more if needed and just go through with my edge brush and some Eco Styler gel and just go through. And baby hairs don't take much, honestly. It just takes a little practice and you'll get it. And I did not flat iron this hair, but I just wanted to show y'all like how pretty it is fresh out the packaging. After I brush it through and tie it back, I'm going to tie a scarf around my head just to make sure that everything is set and secure. While that is on, I went ahead and installed my eyelashes that I got from Cynosure just so I could show those to you guys. And so I left my scarf on for about 20 to 30 minutes just to make sure everything was super good. And this is the after look, and I just thought it turned out really, really cute. Like I said, you do not need to flat iron it. If you want to just give it that extra touch, you definitely can. I just wanted to, like I said, for this install, just show you all it fresh out the packaging. It's a lot of body. The hair is very full, even at 150 density. And I just absolutely loved the feel of the hair. Like I said, it is super soft. It does have a high gloss and like a natural high sheen to it. And I'm hoping that that lasts even after I do the first wash. This install was very simple, was very easy. I haven't had any issues with the hair matting. I did leave it in for almost a week, and yeah, no matting issues, anything like that. It definitely stayed super straight, and I did tie it up and wear a bonnet when I slept with it. And so yeah, this is how it turned out. Make sure you all check out their website. It is CynosureHair.com. If they give me anything like discount codes or anything for you all, I will be sure to list it in the description box below. I will also have a link to this wig as well as their full website too, so make sure you all check them out. They always have a good deal going on. Right now they have a really cool summer sale, and they do pay in 4 with PayPal and Klarna. So make sure you all head straight to CynosureHair.com. Use the link in the description box below, and definitely check them out and get you all some really great hair for the summer. Like I said, this is really pretty. It's a classic look. I absolutely love the feel of the hair as well as the texture. It is truly straight, but I believe I would also be able to do like a cute body wave in it also. So check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, make sure you all stay bougie.